of our daily lives. Self-driving cars use AI to understand the road, navigate traffic, and avoid obstacles, making transportation safer and more future in ways we can only imagine. One of the coolest things about AI is that we can use it every day. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, AI is there to assist us in countless ways. Whether it's through our smartphones, laptops, or other smart devices, AI is seamlessly integrated into our daily routines. There are tons of AI tools available to everyone. These tools can help us with a variety of tasks, making our lives easier and more efficient. From managing our schedules to providing us with the latest news, AI is always at our fingertips. Want to write a poem or create a piece of art? AI can help. With AI-powered creative tools, anyone can unleash their inner artist or poet. These tools can provide inspiration, suggest improvements, and even generate entire pieces of work based on your input. There are AI tools that can write stories, compose music, and even paint pictures. Just imagine the possibilities. These tools can help both amateurs and professionals alike to explore new creative horizons and bring their ideas to life in ways they never thought possible. AI is also changing the way we learn. In classrooms and homes around the world, AI is being used to enhance the educational experience. It provides personalized learning paths, adapts to individual needs, and makes learning more engaging and interactive. There are AI-powered educational apps that can help us learn new languages, understand complex topics, and provide instant feedback. These apps are designed to make learning more accessible and effective for everyone, regardless of their age or background, and improve our problem-solving skills. With AI, we can tackle challenging subjects and develop critical thinking abilities. These tools offer step-by-step guidance and support, making it easier to grasp difficult concepts. It's like having a personal tutor right in your pocket. AI tutors are available anytime, anywhere, providing personalized assistance and helping us achieve our learning goals. The future of education is here, and it's powered by AI. The future of AI is incredibly exciting. Imagine a world where AI seamlessly integrates into every aspect of our lives, making everything more efficient and interconnected. As AI continues to learn and evolve, it will become more sophisticated, capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. It will change the world in ways we can only imagine, from revolutionizing industries to transforming our daily routines. AI could help us solve some of the world's biggest problems, like curing diseases, fighting climate change, and exploring space. Imagine AI-driven medical breakthroughs that could eradicate diseases, or AI models that predict and mitigate the effects of climate change. It could also lead to the creation of new industries and jobs that we can't even imagine today. Entirely new fields of work will emerge, driven by AI innovations, offering opportunities we have yet to foresee. But it's important to remember that AI is a tool. Its value and impact depend on how we choose to use it. And like any tool, it can be used for good or for bad. The same technology that can save lives can also be misused if not properly regulated. It's up to us to make sure that AI is developed and used responsibly and ethically. We must engage in ongoing discussions about the ethical implications of AI and ensure that its development benefits all of humanity. AI is a powerful tool that has the potential to change the world. It's up to all of us to learn about AI and its implications so we can use it to create a better future. So go explore the world of AI. Try out some AI-powered apps, learn about the latest advancements in AI research, and think about how AI can be used to make a positive impact on the world. What we'll do with AI?